morning and happy almost Thanksgiving. We are hosting Thanksgiving this year. I've got all my stuff out ready to go and I need to menu plan. So I thought I would invite you along with me to conquer that. I am looking for a kosher menu. So that can be a little bit difficult with Thanksgiving because there's a lot of options that have milk in them or dairy, and obviously we gotta have our turkey. So let's tackle that. I'm gonna menu plan and then come shop with me. Come shop with me for a kosher Thanksgiving dinner. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I do for menu planning is take out my kosher cookbooks. By the way, my littlest is home from school watching the Cars movie, if you hear it in the background. So I keep all my cookbooks down here. They're sort of in rainbow order, but they could use a little sort out. But anyway, so these are the kosher cookbooks I have. Kosher by Design, Deliciously Kosher, Celebrating with the Kosher Butcher's Wife, The Holiday Kosher Baker, and then one of my favorites, Lichvod Shabbos Kodesh. Oh, I actually have a few more. Hold that thought. I was looking at some earlier. I have Jewish, Millenial Kosher, The Modern Table. This one's brand new. And Honey Cake and Latkes. This is also brand new. I'll link these, by the way, for anyone who's interested. But as I was saying, the first thing I do is just take out my kosher cookbooks and flip through and see what I want. So what I'm looking for really is side dishes, because I know I want to make turkey as my main dish. But I really need some side dishes, some parve desserts, which my mother-in-law will probably bake too, and just some ideas. So I'm going to flip through these and then I'll make my menu. Okay, I found two recipes I definitely want to make. One is the sweet and savory cranberry chicken. This is from Razy Fried's book, Lichvod Shabbos Kodesh. I just talked about how I was going to do turkey, but why not chicken too? I mean, look how good that looks. And then I want to do this mushroom tart and green beans with crispy shallots from the Kosher By Design book. So yeah, let's get that list writing, get that grocery list going. Okay, it's the next day. I'm about to go grocery shopping, but I wanted to share with you guys my most important ingredient, which is my stock. So I have kosher stock that I get from Tabachnik. I just get it on Amazon. And the reason I do that is because kosher stock is very hard to find. And I don't actually like using the turkey itself, the turkey gravy, to make gravy. Because number one, my mother-in-law usually makes the turkey, so I don't usually have it at my house. Number two, turkeys are crazy. Crazy birds. They're really hard to cook. They're all finicky with the times, and the last thing you want to be doing is like waiting on that gravy. Like, just make it separate from the turkey. So let me show you what I got. I actually just had another shipment come from Amazon, so I'm going to show you what I use, and that's the Tabachnik. Look at my little stockpile. Gelt for Hanukkah, Halloween candy, and Tabachnik soup broth. That right there is my life, guys. That right there explains it all. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for the gravy. It's the organic, classic, wholesome chicken broth. It's available on Amazon. Thank you so much to Tabachnik for sending this to me, because I've been making so many recipes with it, if you guys have been following along. But I'm going to be using it for the gravy, and I think for the mushroom tart. Let me write down everything I need for that. So yeah, so that is that. Definitely check it out if you are looking for kosher soup stock, broths. They also have a lot of other soup products and things like that, but I'll put the Amazon link down below. Let me make my grocery list and then we gotta go. Hi there, little Bubba. Everyone's helping today. Okay, so first things first, I make my menu, and then under each item I just put what ingredients I need to make the item, and then I'll just take that ingredients list and turn it into a grocery list. Pretty easy. So for this menu, I'm doing everything but the turkey. My mother-in-law is going to do the turkey, and then that's what we kind of figured out as I was making the menu. I was like, how about you do the turkey? But this is all the sides, the gravy, stuffing, everything like that. And I actually decided I'm going to do challah stuffing. Okay, here we are, Trader Joe's. Let's do this. Challah bread is first. It was actually like almost stale one from the day before, but that's fine, because you need stale bread for stuffing. Then I got vegan parve margarine, so this is essential for making a lot of dairy recipes, non-dairy. Then I also found some fried onions, which I'm going to put on top of some veggies, and then Trader Joe's has the Empire Kosher chicken, which is great. They have different varieties. I picked up a whole chicken and it was perfect. These had some apple cider, which I'm tempted to use, not exactly sure where, but tempted. And then some slivered sliced almonds I'll be using on top of veggies as well. And then I got some potatoes and onions, all the staples, some cranberries for that cranberry chicken recipe, which I thought looked so pretty. Here are some of the veggies I got, and as well as cranberries for cranberry sauce, and of course a gorgeous bouquet of flowers. Trader Joe's has the best flowers. I'm there all the time shopping for flowers for Shabbat, and was very happy to find some. And then speaking of unique finds, every holiday season they put out the stocks of Brussels sprouts. They're just so much fun. Okay, so that was it. Picked up the mushrooms from the mushroom tarts, and that is all. We are ready. Okay, so I'm back home, just about to edit everything so you guys can see the menu and put this video live, and then tune in a few days next week where I will be cooking up everything so you can see my kosher for Thanksgiving menu. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. When you go on YouTube, you'll just see them in your feed. And don't forget to catch up next week when I'm actually cooking some of this food. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.